Hey, controlling things from far away is a big problem in these days. When controlling RC cars, RC planes, drones, and also when taking drone shots, we need a remote control. But the higher cost is the main problem. But here is the budget, cheap, and the best solution for that problem. In this video, we are going to unbox this, and also we are going to see how to wire this remote control for a RC plane with all the details. Here is the description about the transmitter. In this area, they have already given a full description about the receiver. You can download a clear view of this user manual from the description below. This is the programming cable comes with the transmitter. One side with USB cable and the other side is connected to the transmitter. Here is the receiver of your transmitter. Here is the small CD with the setup of the application to program the transmitter. And here you have all the 6 channels. Here is another cable comes with the receiver. Here is the power switch to switch on your transmitter. Here you have a LED to indicate the power level of your transmitter. It has 3 colors to indicate the power level. Here is the antenna. It helps to pass the signals. Here is the handle for your transmitter. In a simple RC plane, you need one brushless motor and 2 servo motors. Connect 3-pin wires of electronic speed controller to the 3rd channel of the receiver. Connect 2 servo motors to the 1st and the 2nd channel. Don't forget to connect positive and negative pins correctly to the receiver. Supply 12 volts to the electronic speed controller and switch on the transmitter. When switching on the transmitter, you can see a red bulb lighting inside the receiver. Be careful when using the brushless motor with the propeller.